Hello everyone, welcome to the Sytoxcar YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss the 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500h Inspiration Series car. This car is one of the best sports cars on the market, and we'll show you why. First of all, let's start with the design. The LC 500h is a truly beautiful car, with flowing lines and perfect proportions. This car is also available in a variety of attractive colors, so you're sure to find one that suits your style. Next, let's talk about the performance. The LC 500h is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine, producing 354 HP. This car can accelerate from 0-100 km/h in 4.7 seconds and can reach a top speed of 260 km/h, while the Lexus Coupe LC 500 is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces 471 HP. This machine offers very powerful performance and a fierce engine sound. The LC 500h's performance is supported by excellent suspension and precise steering. This car also has very good handling, so you can enjoy driving around corners safely and comfortably. This is slightly different from the Lexus Coupe. The LC 500 can accelerate from 0-100 km/h in 4.4 seconds and can reach a top speed of 270 km/h. Inside, the LC 500h offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin. The car is equipped with plush leather seats, high-quality wood trim, and a sophisticated infotainment system. The LC 500h is also equipped with a variety of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. Overall, the 2025 Lexus Coupe LC 500h Inspiration Series is a great sports car. This car has a beautiful design, powerful performance, precise handling, and a luxurious cabin. If you are looking for the perfect sports car to meet all your needs, then the LC 500h is the right choice, and the Lexus Coupe LC 500h is the right choice for those of you who are looking for a powerful and efficient sports car. The Lexus Coupe LC 500 is the right choice for those of you who are looking for a sports car that is very powerful and sounds fierce. The Lexus Coupe LC 500 convertible is the right choice for those of you who are looking for a sports car that offers an open and enjoyable driving experience. Thank you for watching.